The electrical configuration menu is a menu with important electrical and software informations. Know that under normal circumstances, only qualified technicians should use that menu. To access it, press the program key. Scroll down to Electrical Config, and then click on the Select key. System will warn you that modifications in this menu can render SPA inoperable. Press and hold Confirm key to access the mode. Then we can change the low-level configuration, the number of phases, and the input current. All three things that only a SPA technician should modify. To get back to the main menu, simply click on the back key.